Welcome to Italy 101, your YIGO Italy cultural guide. Italy is home to some of the best and strong coffee in the world. It is important to know that we call a cafe or a coffee bar in the United States, Italians call these just bars. You will see bars all over Italy as coffee is an essential part of the day. Italians will typically drink caffe or espresso, standing at the bar for a quick pick-me-up throughout the day. If you choose to be served at a table, be prepared to pay almost double the price. Typically, a coffee can cost a couple euros, depending on what kind of coffee you would like. This morning, Sylvia chose to order an espresso. You can also order a Caffe Americano. This is an espresso with water added to it to make it more of a filtered coffee taste. A Cafe Macchiato, meaning stained or spotted coffee, is an espresso with a dash of hot, frothy milk on top. Cafe Campana, which is similar to a macchiato but sweeter. This espresso is topped with a sweet whipping cream. Cafe Corretto, which is a corrected coffee, which is served with a liquor, usually cognac, grappa, or sambuca. Cafe Shakerato is a fresh espresso mixed with sugar and iced cafe latte. This drink is perfectly timed to announce the La Primavera or spring. And last but not least, one of Italy's most famous drinks, cappuccino. This drink is an espresso mixed with hot milk. Fun fact, ordering a cappuccino after 11 a.m. is a big no-no in Italy. Cappuccinos are traditionally a breakfast drink, and consuming milk after a meal, Italians believe, will disrupt their digestion. A typical bar will also have a variety of pastries and sandwiches. When ordering a cafe at the bar, you can also order something to eat while you finish your cafe. There you have it, an introduction to Italian coffee and bars. Go out and grab yourself a cup. Thank you for watching Italy 101, your YIGO Italy cultural guide. If you want to see more videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to our YIGO Italy YouTube channel. If you know someone who could benefit from this video, be sure to send it their way. Ciao for now!